I see so many people focused on this deal. What about this deal? How much equity can I get in this deal? It's not about this deal. It's about the next deal. It's about the next 5 deals. It's about the next 10 deals. It's about the next 50 deals that you can do because you did this deal. It's delaying your gratification so that way you can have bigger gains, more money tomorrow. Yeah, you might be able to stack up and add a little bit to your net worth and your income by taking money today, but I promise you money tomorrow is worth 10 to 100 times more than what money today is worth. So whenever you have the opportunity to take money tomorrow, you take money tomorrow. And get involved in deals. Get involved in deals even if you have a little bit of equity in it. Get involved because it can increase your net worth by hundreds of thousands of dollars like this deal this week did. I don't have to do anything other than sign on a loan. I covered my ass, right? Like I made sure that he signed off. If the loan goes into default or he misses a payment, then guess what? My team steps in, we take over all the responsibilities and equity, and he has to forego his equity in this deal if he misses a single payment.